Namaste. Today we will do remaining questions from exercise 9.1. 16th question. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Here we have a tower and there are 2 points from the foot of the tower. One is 4 meter away and the other one is 9 meter away. That is, here it is 4 meter and if there is another point here, the total length here will be 9 meter, the second point. And these 2 points lies on a straight line. And it is also given the angle of elevation here and here are complementary. That is, these 2 angles are complementary means the sum of these 2 angles will be 90. So if this is x, then this will be 90 minus x because the sum of both angles are 90. If one is x, then the other one will be 90 minus x. We have to prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. That was the question. Let us name it first. A, B, C and D. Now in right triangle ABC, that is the smaller triangle, we can see tan x. Tan x is equal to, according to this angle, this is the opposite side by adjacent side. That is AB by BC. Where BC we know 4. So tan x is equal to AB by 4. Now let us rearrange it. Then we will get AB equal to, here 4 is taken to the other side, so it goes to numerator. So 4 tan x. This is equation number 1. Now from the other triangle, that is triangle ABD, the bigger one, we can see tan 90 minus x. Here the angle is 90 minus x is equal to, according to this angle, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So that is AB by BD. Again BD we know it is 9. So tan 90 minus x is equal to AB by 9. Now what is tan of 90 minus x? There is an identity. We know it is cot x. Tan 90 minus x is cot x. So instead of this we will write cot x directly is equal to AB by 9. Now rearrange it. Here again AB equal to 9 is taken to the other side, 9 cot x. This is the second equation. So from first equation AB equal to 4 tan x and second equation AB equal to 9 cot x. Here we have to find out the length of AB. That was the question. So we will multiply here 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. And on LHS part you can see AB into AB, that is AB square is equal to RHS part 4 tan x into 9 cot x. Here 9 and 4, 36. Here we have AB square 36 and tan x into cot x. Actually cot is 1 by tan. So here we can write 1 tan x is there. And instead of cot x, we will write 1 by tan x. And this tan x and tan x get cancelled. Answer is AB square equal to 36. And we need to find out AB length, not AB square. So taking square root on both sides, this become AB and square root of 36. AB equal to, what is square root of 36? The answer is plus or minus 6 because plus 6 into 6 is 36. Also minus 6 into minus 6 is 36. So what will we consider here? In this situation, we are talking about height of the tower. So don't want to consider this negative value because height is never in a negative value. It will always be a positive value. So here we got AB equal to 6 meter. And that was the question asked to check whether height of the tower is 6 meter or not. So here we find out, yes, the height of the tower is 6 meter. So in this chapter, we learned about 2 angles. that is angle of elevation and angle of depression. If a person is standing here and looking to a top of a building, then forms angle of elevation, that is here the angle will be angle of elevation. Now next one was angle of depression, that is if a person is standing on top of a building and looking downward to a point on the ground, that is here, actually the angle of depression is here. But how we got this angle? We should draw a straight line here from the eyes of the person, and here you can see an angle, that is the real angle of depression. And if there are two straight lines, that is parallel lines, and a transversal falling on it, we already learned that these two are alternate interior angles and they will be equal. The same method is used here. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles and they will be equal. That is why we are taking this angle as angle of depression directly in the previous questions. The actual method is this alternate interior angles and both these angles are equal. Here is the actual angle of depression because here is the straight line from the eyes of the person standing on a top of the building. So keep this in mind and don't want to draw and show alternate interior angles in each case. You can directly draw angle of depression on ground.